Hey guys, we're jumping into our sixth type of figurative language today, but first let's review the 5 that we've gone over. We talked about similes and metaphors first. Remember, these both compare unlike things, but similes are going to use the word like and as, and then metaphors are just going to say that one thing is another thing, okay? So for example, a simile, this cake tastes like heaven, where our metaphor is going to be those best friends are 2 peas in a pod. They are that, okay? Hyperbole is that Mrs. Nugent of figurative language. It's an over-exaggeration, like our new car costs us an arm and a leg. Personification is where we give human characteristics to non-living things. The sunshine kissed my face, okay? And then idioms, those are going to be our weird little sayings, okay? Like don't let the cat out of the bag, don't spill the beans, okay? It's raining cats and dogs, I'm in a pickle. The figurative meaning is very different from the literal meaning, okay? So today we're going to talk about alliteration. This is like a tongue twister. You're going to repeat the same initial consonant sound in a series of words, okay? These are going to be like tongue twisters. So, rubber baby buggy bumpers, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. So it's both of those. So rubber baby buggy bumpers and Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. See, on the first one, we repeat the B sound, okay? Where in the second one, we repeat the P sound. Many contain words that do not start with the same consonant necessarily, okay? So you're going to have to add in conjunctions and prepositions and articles, okay, to make it make sense. But the main words are going to have that same initial consonant sound. So some alliteration in poetry. A flea and a fly and a flew were in prison, so what could they do? Said the fly, let us flee. Let us fly, said the flea. So they flew through a flaw in the flue. Here's another example. Carmen carefully caught Carl. Okay. Brian brought back black branches. See how we repeat that B sound. Steve saved 7 seagulls. Okay. In a song by Michael Jackson, Human Nature, he shows us some alliteration. So he has right there in the middle, shake my window, sweet seducing sighs, okay? And that is going to be alliteration. You are going to do some creative writing, okay, with this, where I'm going to give you a beginning sound and you're show it. Go ahead and just be creative and try to come up with as many words, but you have to make your, that start with the same letter, but your sentences have to make sense, okay? All right, hold on, I'll do some practice with you guys. So here you're going to start with the B sound. So Ben bought billions of bugs. See how I'm going to just continue to repeat that B sound. Send me an email, shoot me an email where you continue this alliteration. Or this one, little Lucy likes lots of lollipops. See how I'm repeating that L sound? That's what you're doing in your show it. If you have any questions, please let me know.